In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce developer account. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that you can easily follow along and set up your own account in no time. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to navigate to the Salesforce developer website, which you can find at developer.salesforce.com. Once you have the website open in your browser, you will see a variety of resources Salesforce provides. But for our purposes today, we want to focus on getting you set up with a Developer Edition account. Take a moment to look around the home page, and when you're ready, find the option that says Get a Developer Edition. This is typically located prominently on the page, as Salesforce encourages developers to sign up and start exploring their platform. Click on that link, and you will be taken to a sign-up form. On this page, you'll need to fill in your first and last name. It's pretty standard for most registrations, but make sure to use real information here, as Salesforce will need details to connect your account to you. Then, proceed to fill out any additional required information, such as your email address, job role, company, and country. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and reflects your current circumstances, as this can help with support and networking in the Salesforce community. After carefully entering your details, scan through the terms and conditions. It's always good practice to understand the agreements you are entering, even when you're eager to get started. Once you are satisfied, click on the Sign Me Up button at the bottom of the page. This action submits your information to Salesforce and indicates that you're ready to create your Developer Edition account. After submitting, you should receive a confirmation email from Salesforce. Check your inbox and spam folders to ensure that you receive it. The email will have further instructions and an activation link to verify your account. Click this link to complete your registration process. Once activated, you'll have full access to your Salesforce developer account, which you can use to explore and create applications within the Salesforce ecosystem. This edition provides a great way for developers to get hands-on experience without the cost associated with regular editions. And there you have it. Setting up your Salesforce developer account is as simple as that. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. With your new account, you're ready to start exploring and learning everything that Salesforce has to offer. Be sure to check out the wide range of resources available on the Salesforce developer website to begin your journey. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see what you'll build.